Asan? Ayun na. Ayun na pala eh. Ayun na. Joshua. Yan.
The champ is here.
Trangkaso ako. Ay, pala si dito eh.
Hello.
Long time. Morning po.
Morning.
Pum. Morning, sir.
All right, we're here with Joshua Pacio.
Yeah.
Yeah. How are you feeling today, sir? Ready for the fight?
Good, yeah. English daw ah.
Yeah, English.
I'm feeling good, feeling excited. It's about 2 months left, and after 3 years, we're gonna enter Mall of Asia Arena. So I'm excited.
What can you say about your upcoming opponent, Jared Brooks?
Jerry Brooks, the trash talking stop. I don't know why, but I'm very excited about the press con. It's gonna be, I think it's gonna bring his words, and I'm just excited for the crowd, Filipino crowd.
What makes Jared Brooks such a dangerous opponent for you?
It's very dangerous in all aspects. He's been there on the top, fighting high caliber athletes. His wrestling is a high level, and I respect him as an athlete. But I'm a champion for a reason, and we work hard to get here. It's not easy to get the belt from me. Takutan yun kasi alam natin yung game plan niya.
Ganun eh.
I think he's gonna test his improved striking, like what he said. He will test it, but at the end of the day, he will use his bread and butter, his wrestling, to pressure me in the cage, in the ground. But we're ready. I have so many weapons, and I'm gonna use all that weapons, that arsenals, to in the fight.